Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the principle of scintillation detectors. Scintillators are one of the oldest types of radiation detector because measurements could be made with photographic film. Images could be collected or intensity measurements could be made with the help of such type of detector. Measurements were also made with the human eye, observing the brightness or frequency of flashes in the scintillator. Nowadays, the light output is converted into voltage pulses that are processed in the same way as pulses from proportional counters, semiconductor detectors, etc. The whole point of scintillation detectors is that we want to produce a large light output in the visible range. There are two commonly used types of scintillators, and they are inorganic crystals and organic scintillators. The scintillator's mechanism is different for these two types.